What's up, guys? We are here in JPM. We're doing multi-randoms, or I guess team randoms, for the charity group break. So I'm gonna sort of run this like a Raz. I'm not gonna do all the timestamps just to make the video shorter, and I hope you guys trust me on this. So 6:59. It's 6:59. We got all the names, and we got all the teams. So we're randoming each list 3 times, and we're just gonna match up. So good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Mike Somich on top, and Dave O'Brien on the bottom. So there is that list, everybody. And for the teams, 1, 2, and good luck, everybody. 3. We got San Jose on top, Nashville on the bottom. And all right, Mike, you got San Jose in Florida. LaBarge has the Rangers. Canadian Cards Boston. Somich has Buffalo and Dallas. Canadian Cards Montreal. Jeff Matthew Maple Leafs. Grant Patterson Tampa Bay. Somich Washington Capitals. Hodgnowski, you got the Avalanche. Chris Ryan Chicago. Jeff Lambert New Jersey Devils. Hodgnowski Philadelphia Flyers and the Columbus Blue Jackets. Marty, you got the Wild. Chris, you got the Senators. Marty, the Flames. Michael, you got the Blues. LaSalle, you got the Edmonton Oilers. Congrats on that. Marty, Detroit. Chris, Winnipeg. Dave Schmidt, the Islanders. Somich, the Ducks. Adam, the Los Angeles Kings. Somich, the Canucks. Chris Ryan, the Carolina Hurricanes. Grant, Pittsburgh. Grant, Arizona. And Dave, you got the Predators. And then, like I said, I'm going to sort of run this like a Raz. And that one is in at 7:01. There is 7:01.